today. I'm going to show you how to make pearl hair pieces. Hair clips and barrettes are all the rage, and right now pearl hair pieces are super on trend. A lot of these hair pieces are very expensive. You can get them at Anthropology, even on Etsy, and they are a lot. Instead of paying the big bucks for these cute hair accessories, you can just make them right at home for real cheap. And I mean real cheap. And it's so easy too. I'm so excited to show you how it's done, and let's get started. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Also, let me know if you tried this out at home, and I'd love to see how it worked out for you. Also, follow these other social channels for more content like this. Make sure that if you liked this video to click the like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have the best day ever, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!